How to fix AI Flashcard app not working. First of all, open the app on your device and check if you are logged in properly. If the app is not loading, try closing it completely and reopening it. Make sure your internet connection is stable because a weak connection can cause the app to stop working. If the problem continues, go to your device settings and clear the app's cache or temporary data. You can also check if there is an update available from the app, since running the latest version often fixes common issues. If none of these work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to start fresh. Finally, if the app still doesn't work, reach out to the support team of app for further help. Now you know the best ways to fix Note AI Flashcard app not working and get back to studying without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.